DJI just can't slow down. The company has been on an absolute tear lately, pushing out the Osmo Pocket 4P, teasing fresh gimbals, and refreshing its drone lineup almost every other week. So it's no surprise that talk has already started about the next entry in its flagship action camera line, the DJI Osmo Action 7. The Action 6 only landed in November of last year, but DJI's release rhythm has been so consistent that fans are already piecing together what comes next. Today's video is sponsored by no one, so if you want to book this spot, just send us an email. Let's dive right into the rumored spec sheet, because the early picture looks incredibly exciting. Let's start with the sensor. The Action 7 is expected to stick with a massive 1/1.1 inch CMOS sensor that the Action 6 introduced, but with a significantly faster readout speed. That might sound like a minor technical detail, but it matters a lot for action sports. A quicker readout cuts down on rolling shutter, keeping your footage clean and straight during whip pans or shaky movement. Alongside that, the variable aperture system is expected to carry over, giving creators more control over depth of field and exposure without constantly swapping into filters. Combine that with a faster sensor, and low-light performance is expected to take a real step forward. Night shooting should be much cleaner and handle noise noticeably better than the current generation. Video is where the rumors get the most exciting. Currently, the Action 6 maxes out at 4K resolution up to 120 frames per second. The Action 7 is rumored to push well past that. We are hearing whispers of 8K video at 60 frames per second becoming a reality, along with 4K slow motion at a massive 240 frames per second. If that holds up, it would be a massive leap for anyone capturing fast-paced action. You would get both higher resolution and buttery, smooth, slow motion in a single camera. Furthermore, the dynamic range is getting a bump. The Action 6 handles a respectable 13.5 stops, but the Action 7 is rumored to reach around 15 stops. For anyone who color grades, that extra range means pulling cinematic detail out of the harshest shadows and brightest highlights. Stabilization is another area DJI is expected to lean into hard. RockSteady 3.0 has carried the Action 6, but the Action 7 is rumored to bring RockSteady 4.0 with AI-powered subject tracking built right in. The camera will actively recognize a subject and keep them framed as they move. For solo creators filming themselves biking or skating, this is a massive deal. DJI is also rumored to be expanding its AI color grading tools with more cinematic presets baked directly into the camera, alongside AI-driven low-light optimization that adjusts your settings on the fly. Together, these would make it a lot easier to get polished footage without spending hours in post-production. So, when is it actually coming? Based on how DJI handles this series, the Osmo Action 7 is shaping up for a late 2026 launch, with October or November looking like the sweet spot. Timing against the competition is crucial here. GoPro is expected to drop the Hero 14 Black around September, while Insta360 is rumored to be releasing the Ace Pro 3 in the middle of the year. DJI has a habit of letting its rivals make the first move, then swooping in right after with something that one-ups them just in time for the holiday shopping season. Nobody wants to see prices creep up, but a small bump feels like the safe bet here. Expect the standard combo to land somewhere between $349 and $429, which lines up closely with the Action 6 launch. If you want the full adventure combo with extra batteries and mounts, expect it to sit in the $479 to $579 range. There is one elephant in the room: US regulations. DJI remains on the FCC's covered list. While this has mostly affected their drone lineup so far, there's a chance that non-drone products could face extra scrutiny or slower approval processes in the US going forward. Outside of America, though, expect a standard global rollout. Finally, the design. Don't expect a dramatic physical redesign. The Action 6 already brought a refreshed rugged shell with dual touchscreens, and the Action 7 will likely carry that same general shape. Waterproofing should stay around 20 meters natively, and all your existing GoPro-style mounts will still work perfectly. With 8K video, RockSteady 4.0 and a 15-stop dynamic range. The Osmo Action 7 runs like an absolute powerhouse. Are you holding out for the Action 7 or picking up an Action 6 right now? Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next one.